Hi, I'm Lyka Gonzalez. I'm a documentary filmmaker and photographer, and I'm here to talk to you about the new Huawei P40 Pro. But first, let's do the unboxing. When you receive this box, it will come with this modern beauty. The P40 is available in either colors, the deep sea blue or, as you can see here, the silver frost. You will also receive a clear case, the SIM card pin, a fast charger, and earphones for Type-C. The P40 Pro has 4 cameras, all co-engineered with Leica. It has a 50 megapixel f1.9 ultra-vision wide lens. You'll also have a 12 megapixel f3.4 telephoto lens, a 3D depth sensing camera which gives you creamy portrait shots, Have I mentioned that you can also shoot RAW using this phone? Well, you can. Video quality is impeccable. You can shoot in 4K even on its front lens. And you can choose your frame rates too. Its directional audio is great for interviews or vlogs. It also has a 32 megapixel f2.2 front lens. With this, you can essentially shoot professional quality selfies. Don't worry, you'll find your favorite apps on the app gallery. And what better way to connect with your loved ones during this quarantine than on its native video chat feature called MeTime. The P40 series is set to be the best performing smartphone on the market. With the P40, you can definitely experience better connection. I hope this has been helpful for you. This is Leica, and let's continue sharing stories.